Is the Lovebox First Self-Love Starter Set perfect for couples as well? Let's take a look at this today. Yes, you can definitely use the Self-Love Starter Set not only just for solo use but also together with your partner. This starter set was designed for women who are curious about sex toys but have little to no experience, but it can also be used as an exciting addition in the bedroom with your partner. There's lots of different toys to choose from. The surprising contents in this starter box mean it's a great way to explore your body and with your partner as well. Let's take a look at that. So here we have a jiggle ball. On the inside is a ball that moves around, which is slightly weighted. It has a loop handle here, so it's very stretchy, meaning insertion and removal is simple and easy. And because it's a soft silicone material, it's also very comfortable to wear as well. Here we have a vibrating egg with a remote control. This is great to use with a partner as well. You can insert the egg vaginally and enjoy wonderful vibrations, but you'll have no idea when the next vibration change will come. We also have a pocket vibrator as well, with 3 other interchangeable toppings as well. This is great to use for external stimulation, for example around the nipple area, the clitoris, and even external body stimulation as well. We also have an anal plug with a wide base just here, so insertion and removal is easy and it will stay in place. It's also slightly curved as well, and is made of a soft silicone material for a fantastic feeling during use. Also included is a water-based lubricant, which we highly recommend to use in combination with these toys to get the most out of your experience. And we also have toy cleaner, which we highly recommend to use after using your toys. Simply spray on and clean with lukewarm water, and the toys are ready and prepped, fresh to go next time. Also included is a user manual. This is perfect and we highly recommend that you read through it before using any of the toys. It also has an introduction from our sexologist as well and explains how to use these toys safely and to get the most out of your self-love experience. A great set to explore each other and introduce into the bedroom as well. Also perfect for beginners. Did you find this video helpful? Why not take a look at our other FAQ videos in this collection? Did you have a question for us? Why not write it down below and we'll help you with your question.